Hi all, I'm Maggie Shoddy and this is my introduction for MIT 885, the Instructional Technology Practicum. A little bit about me. I was born and raised in Marysville, Kansas. I'm a small town girl through and through. I attended Kansas State University to earn my bachelor's in elementary education, and then I actually moved back to Marysville to begin my career. Um, what kind of brought me back there was I raise cattle and I help on my family's farm. So we raise crops, corn, beans, wheat, things like that. So I like to stay pretty busy. You can catch me playing about any sport, and I'm actually an assistant softball coach for our high school girls softball team. So, my work. Come August, I'll begin my 6th year of teaching, and this will actually be my 4th year teaching kindergarten. So, I've really grown to love this age and all the excitement that comes with it. My first year, I taught at a private school, and I taught a combined classroom of 7th and 8th graders. The second year I stayed at that school and taught a combined classroom with 1st and 2nd grade. And then I moved to the public school teaching kindergarten. So I've kind of have a wide range of grades that I've taught, but I love them all. So my biggest challenge, I would say, well, this past year was obviously everything COVID and masks and teaching in person and doing some remote learning with the kiddos who were quarantined and things like that. That was definitely a big challenge. But on a typical year, I would say that the biggest challenge is just how the wide range of knowledge that these kiddos come in with. So, for instance, last year, one student was reading Judy B. Jones books in my kindergarten classroom, and one student was still struggling just getting those letters and letter sound connection down. So, and I know that as teachers, we all see that, and I'm surely not the only one, but I think we can all agree that that's definitely a challenge. My future plans, I'm staying in my kindergarten classroom again this next coming year. Um, After I get my master's, I'm not sure what really my plans look like. I don't foresee myself leaving the classroom in the near future. I just love the challenge of working with all of the students, the high ones, the low ones, the ones right in the middle. It's a good challenge to have. So but I also love passing on some tips and tricks to my colleagues that make our lives easier. So I'm pretty happy with where I'm at right now, and I love the knowledge that I've gained. So I look forward to working with all of you this summer. Here we go.